Okay, we're going to do a little mini lesson on common factoring. So we're just going to extend what we've been doing the last couple of days. So the last couple of days, what you've been doing is you've been factoring things like this. We have x squared plus, let's go 10x plus 25, right? And we're looking for something that adds to this and multiplies to this. Two numbers that multiply 25 and add the 10. So in this case, it's going to be plus 5 and plus 5. Okay, so we're going to add just one more step to this. And what is called is common factoring. So that means is we're going to take a common number out of the equation. Right? So that means we have, let's say I have the equation 2x squared. I'm trying to find one here that we can do. I don't like that one. I'm looking at a separate sheet of paper. Plus 14x. One second here. Plus 20. Okay. So for some people, we haven't done factoring where we have a number in front. So what we need to do is take it out. Okay, so we're going to take it out. So we're going to take this. If you remember brackets where we distribute, like if I had 2 times x plus 3, we distribute in like this. We're going to do the opposite and take numbers out. So the number we're going to take out is the first number here. So 2 is going to come out. So we're going to divide everything by 2 over here. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we can just write x squared. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now, we can look at this one and factor it. So we're looking at two numbers that multiply to 10 and add the 7. So in this case, it's going to be x plus 2 and x plus 5. So for common factoring, we're generally going to, for today, it's not always. Where's my highlighter? Come on, highlighter. 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 There we go. We're always going to divide everything else by that number right there. Okay? So let's try this one. I'll leave this one there. I'm going to move this over here. Oh, I got to wait for my eraser. My computer's a little tired, so it's taking a while to get through stuff. All right. Let's just switch to the marker. Oh, we almost got everything. We're going to ignore that part. Okay. So what if I have 3x squared? Oh, I just had my eyes on one. Plus 30x plus 63. So we can't do this because there's a 3x. Now, for some people in the class, you can factor this. Okay, we've been doing other things where we've been factoring. I've showed up a couple of people how to factor with numbers in front. You can do it. But another strategy that I want you to work on today is dividing by the common factor. So we're going to divide, we're going to take out the 3 from the bracket. We're going to take out the 3. So that means we're going to divide everything by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is always going to, that first term should always be x squared. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 63 divided by 3 is 21. And now this is something we can factor. So you know it's going to be x and x. So two numbers that multiply to 21 and add to 10. So that's going to add up being 7 and 3. 1 second, I gotta answer a text from my wife, but I can't. I know. Sorry about this. Okay, so this time I'm going to write one down. I'm going to let you work ahead independent on your whiteboard. So let me see if I can find one before I start messing with you a little bit. Let's do, oh, I like that one. Now this is where having your calculator will really help you out, because some of these numbers are going to be a little more difficult. Plus 48x plus 80. So use the one beside as your guide, and I'll pause the video now and you answer it. Okay, we're back. Sorry, whenever I say pause the video, sometimes take my own break. So we're going to take out 4 from each of these. X squared plus 12x plus 20. Then, do we have numbers that work on this one? Or is this one that doesn't work? Oh, numbers work. There's going to be plus 2 and plus 10. All right. Let's make this a little more difficult. We'll put some pluses and minuses there for you. Let's go with, I'm looking at a sheet that has all my questions on it. Oh, I like that one. Let's times this one by 10. 10x squared minus 60x plus, oh, actually I don't like that one. I don't like that one at all. But I still will do 10x squared. Let's go minus 50x plus 60. There we go. I like that one better. Change those numbers around. So pause it, work it out, and then come back to me. So we're here. We're going to take the 10 out. So divide everything by 10. So it's going to be x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now this is going to be a little more difficult. Two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. Now since we have a negative there and a positive there, these both are going to be negative. Two numbers that multiply to 6 add to 5 is 3 and 2. Because negative 3 2 is negative 5. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. All right, what am I at for time? I'm at 8:20. That means I got time for at least one more. I know everyone's super excited about it. Let's do this one. So I have 3x squared minus